How are you, my good people? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nyabende the President, and I'm live from Kisii Town. And here is a video showing some people believed to be Kisii County workers trying to clean the main stage in Kisii Town. And something funny with this video, my opinion though, they're just releasing, discharging effluent. We call it effluent, amanini. They are discharging it right now during daytime, midday, to the road. And the town is so busy. Mind you, on a Monday, Kisii Town seems to be very busy, and there are a lot of people moving up and down. Angalieni hii uchafu. It's very dangerous. Just imagine umeingia town with your clean clothes, white, black, and whatever, and somebody spills this on you. But nevertheless, they're doing a good job. Thank you to the county government for trying to clean this place. It has been dirty for long, and maybe there was blockage in the draining system, and now they're blocking it. But according to my opinion, they're just doing it on the right thing, the right place, and the wrong time. So, I don't know, what is your opinion on this?